Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone, it looks like she had a shaggy haircut. Stylist is cutting all of that hair right off. Oh, wow. She ended up getting this really cute mullet. Oh, that is so cute. And then here we have someone with shoulder length hair. She's saying goodbye to her long hair. The stylist is cutting it off. Oh, very cute layer, kind of pixie cut there. And then we have another mixie style baby mullet variation, followed by someone who has a bob. Ooh, wow. She not only got a pixie, but she also went blonde. This is absolutely breathtaking. I love the way that it frames her face. She's got the red lip, a design in the back through the side. This is absolutely perfection. So here we have someone, it looks like she's in for a cut refresh. She's got some blue hair here. And look at this pixie. Oh, I really like this with the color. That is so cute. And now it looks like an icy platinum blue tone. Very pretty. Here we have a gorgeous bob haircut. She's got the platinum Cleopatra style here, paired with a beautiful red lip. Very cute. I love how this frames her face. So here we have a big chop transformation. So the stylist just cuts that hair right off. Ooh. Oh, wow. Such a beautiful pixie makeover. And look at that color. Wow, this is beautiful. So here we have someone with hair just below the shoulders. The stylist cuts the hair right off. And bam! Chic, cute pixie style. Very nice. I love the fullness within this cut too. So cute. So here we have someone with hair just above the shoulders or around the shoulders. She's got this gorgeous salt and pepper hair. And we have a stunning bob makeover. So pretty. Feathered bangs going there in the front. Phenomenal. So next up we have a pixie hair transformation. We just saw the inspiration and there is the final result of this pixie. Ooh, wow, I did not expect for her to go so short. Wow, she got a buzz cut with this makeover.